What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the Diamond Kingdom. It's the Diamond Line, and today we are going to be, not stepping on ourselves. Today we are going to be looking at my Spider XP farm. So let's, without further ado, head over there. So if you guys watch my live streams, I typically show you guys all of this stuff, so if you're interested in that, make sure to check out some of the live streams on the channel. But today, so we're going to the XP farm, and you know, it's interesting, I got really lucky with my world. I have a zombie spawner, a skeleton spawner, and a spider spawner, which is the one we're going to today. So there's a lot going on in this world, and I like to think I'm pretty lucky with kind of the spawn of my area. So let's take a look at pretty much what this is. It's a pretty simple concept. It's nothing too elaborate. You may be asking yourself, well, TDL, why is there bones in here? The reason there's bones and arrows is when the spider jockeys spawn, because technically it's classified as a spider. So in this little setup, you will see some spider jockeys, and you'll get a couple of bones every once in a while. So just to give you guys kind of a rundown, so this is the cave that the dungeon is in. Ow. And basically what happens is you're going to close off the area in a certain way. And what you're going to do is have 4 blocks in each direction, three blocks up, and then you're also going, and we got to be careful with this, you also 3 blocks down from the spawner. Okay, you're gonna start that off as your main base area. Then you're going to put a water bucket in each of the 4 corners. So that's 4 corners. You need 4 buckets. And then from there, what you're going to need to do, I'll show you the kind of the killing area. And I got to get these diamonds real quick. Yeah, let me get that real quick. I love having these fortune pickaxes. Out of 4, I got 8 diamonds. Hell yeah. Okay, so let's get back to our area. So this is the killing area, and basically what it is you've got that little area, right? And you're gonna actually put a hole at the bottom of the spawner, directly underneath the spawner. And is he gonna be able to get me? No, perfect. So what you're gonna do, right, is under the spawner you're going to have a flat area, and all this is going to push them right in here. Okay, so actually I was wrong about the 4 buckets. You only need 2. So 1 in that corner, 1 in that corner, and they're all going to eventually come down into here. And really, what I probably should get rid of that, because see how everything is filtering right into this 3x3 tunnel right under me? That's what you're wanting. That's what you want, because from there, that's how everything's going to kind of, you know, compound together into your killing area. So you're going to need a good pickaxe to kind of mine this area out. Then you're going to need 2 water buckets. And now let's get to the other stuff, which is actually still fairly simple. It is not super complicated. You're going to need 3 hoppers right here, 3 chests, 3 slabs, and then 3 blocks like this, and you're going to build your killing area. And the killing area, you're going to have another 2 water buckets right here. So you're still going to need 4 water buckets, but 2 in the main dungeon and then 2 in this area here, just to kind of bring them through the tunnel closer to you. Okay, so now we've got that, and you're just going to kind of use these slabs on top of the hopper, put the chests in front, and because of the way that the hoppers are set up, the spider, the webs and the spider eyes are all going to naturally just go right into that area for you. So you're really not going to have to do too much here. Spiders are kind of a difficult mob to kill, like in a regular scenario. So this is a really good farm for getting like I mean, Spider Eyes is always good once you start doing potions, but even the string is really helpful. And I mean, now I have endless Spider Eyes and string. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this build, especially if you are trying to get yourself going in the game. And like I said, it's not really that difficult. In all honesty, it's one of the easier things to build in the game. And like I said, you need 3 hoppers, 3 chests, 3 like half slabs, and 4 buckets of water. That is really all you need. There's no redstone involved. There's nothing crazy involved. And the reason is, I mean, if you want a fully automatic spawner, you probably could use redstone or something like that. But I like getting the XP with my farms, so not only am I getting the materials, but really more so than anything, I'm getting the XP. And especially in my world, we don't have keep inventory on, so that's kind of a big deal. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's a quick, easy video. If you like the video, make sure to like the video. If you really like the video, want to see more content similar, make sure to subscribe to the channel down below. Guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.